As populations increase around the world and across the country, there is tremendous demand for affordable, durable, attractive housing, as well as institutional buildings, such as schools and hospitals and office buildings. Yet at a time when almost everything we use is made in factories by computer-controlled machines, most of our buildings are constructed on-site, piece by piece. The Egyptians built pyramids over 3,000 years ago by stacking blocks one upon another. And today, we still build block by block. Many people still live in archaic wooden houses. 200 years later, we continue to stick build. Such traditional on-site building methods are primitive, too inefficient, and labor-intensive. Therefore, too expensive to meet today's enormous demand. But a new day is dawning in construction technology, and Dynabilt Technology International Corporation is leading the way with innovative products and engineering. The Modutherm patented insulated load-bearing panel is an ingenious synergistic marriage of steel and insulation. The Modutherm panel is manufactured from light-gauge galvanized steel and structural insulation. The advantages of steel are obvious. It's strong, lightweight, and impervious to mildew, rot, termites, and it's flame resistant. The interior surface of the panel may be laminated with standard gypsum board or other types of finishes, while the exterior surface is adaptable to a wide variety of finishes, including stucco, brick veneer, pre-finished metal, or vinyl siding. These materials can be laminated directly to the panels at the factory. Windows, doors, and electrical and plumbing lines can be pre-installed in the panels on the assembly line. A 4 by 8 foot Modutherm panel weighs an incredibly light 1 1/4 pounds per square foot, compared to a whopping 77 pounds per square foot for concrete block construction. The lighter weight of the Modutherm panel results in greatly reduced transportation and foundation costs. Modutherm panels are easily installed using automated hand tools. One of the most attractive aspects of the Dynabilt system is its incredible versatility and the latitude it gives architects, builders, and owners. Structures can be assembled from standard-size Modutherm panels or custom engineering panels. Smaller structures can be completely finished at the factory, delivered to the site, and placed on a waiting foundation, where the only work is anchoring the building, connecting the utilities, and landscaping. For larger buildings, panels can be assembled into finished modules at the factory. A number of modules are then delivered to the site and joined to form a finished structure. When Modutherm panels fabricated at the factory are to be assembled into a building on site, all the components necessary for the project can be shipped as a package in secure closed containers. Modutherm panels can even be utilized as curtain walls in high-rise structures that use steel or concrete structural members. This versatility allows for a wide variety of pleasing architectural styles, giving each building employing the Dynabilt system an appearance adaptable to the environment. And it makes Modutherm panels ideal for many applications: private homes, office buildings, schools, churches, fast food restaurants, multifamily housing, and in high-rise buildings. The Dynabilt system has a number of other advantages. By eliminating the need for tie beams, columns, insulation, furring, and stucco, Modutherm panels save more than 70% on construction time and costs. The use of prefabricated Modutherm panels eliminates the on-site waste typically generated by wood frame and concrete block construction. Cleanup costs are therefore reduced. Modutherm panels will not shrink, swell, or warp out of their intended shape, and are not affected by changes in the climate. The excellent thermal insulating qualities of Modutherm panels mean that smaller, less expensive heating and cooling systems can be installed, further reducing construction and energy costs. Modutherm panels are factory manufactured in a controlled environment that allows for greater attention to detail and quality control. Work can continue during inclement weather with finished panels, assembled modules, and completely assembled small buildings. The slim profile of a Modutherm panel, 3 5/8 inches versus 10 3/8 inches for typical concrete block construction, provides greater interior space in a building with the same exterior dimensions. The use of Modutherm panels can be enhanced by joining them with welded galvanized steel roof trusses and floor joists manufactured by a subsidiary of Dynabilt Technology International. Prefabricated trusses are installer-friendly and have clear advantages over those built on site, including reduced time and labor. The Dynabilt galvanized steel trusses have major advantages over those made of wood, including more stable prices, lighter weight, greater strength, and resistance to rust, corrosion, rot, vermin, fire, and the effects of climate. Together, Modutherm panels and Dynabilt steel trusses form the Dynabilt system. Because the system uses no scarce resources and produces less construction waste, it is ecologically efficient and environmentally friendly. The Dynabilt system has been approved by major international building authorities and meets or exceeds all building codes, including the extremely stringent code instituted in South Florida after Hurricane Andrew. Dynabilt constructed buildings are design engineered to withstand hurricanes, tornadoes, and earthquakes. Residential and commercial buildings incorporating elements of the Dynabilt system have been utilized by the Department of Defense, the United States Air Force, the New York Transit Authority, community colleges, municipalities, developers, and homeowners. The Dynabilt system brings you more than innovative construction methods. It begins with value engineering, the search for a better way to do your job that saves both time and money, and includes planning for maximum space efficiency in an exciting selection of designs. Dynabilt can handle all preparation for you: design, engineering, shipping, and training for any type of building. The versatility of the Dynabilt system allows Dynabilt to provide you with packages ranging from basic shells to luxury turnkey buildings.
My name is Jason Polis. I'm a satisfied homeowner. We were rebuilding our house, and at least in addition to our house, and we got Dynabilt Technologies to help us in that reconstruction, and we've been very satisfied. I looked in the Wall Street Journal and found that an article that had high praise for this type of system, so I began studying it and looking at other houses. I was very concerned that our house, the addition, looked just like the rest of the house because we have a fairly nice house and with a tile roof, and we wanted to make sure that the outside looked just as good as the rest of the house, and we've been very satisfied. Not only is it energy efficient, not only do we save a lot of money, but you can't really tell any difference between the Dynabilt part of the house and the rest of the house. So it looks just like the rest of the house. It looks like a luxurious house. In addition to that, we also, because we saved some money, we were able to put in an additional garage apartment, a freestanding garage apartment in the backyard. So we're very satisfied with the system and would highly recommend it.
Thanks to the Dynabilt system, the construction industry is ready to bridge the 21st century. Don't just build it, Dynabilt it. Dynabilt, changing the way builders build.